Hello everyone, I am Priyadarshini Senthilkumar, Technical Marketing Engineer from the Switching TMA team. In today's session, we'll talk about global norm for DFP, that is device fingerprinting, and CIPT, Client IP Tracker. Let's jump into the session. So, global norm for DFP enablement. So, device fingerprinting helps categorize connected devices by analyzing the data sent by the end devices. So, it also helps to identify and profile network connected devices based on various characteristics such as the device type, the operating system, the device capabilities, and network behavior. And this is done with the help of certain support protocols like DHCP, HTTP, LLDP, and CDP. So before 10.13, we'll have to recall what the existing capability was on the AOS-CX switch. So before 10.13, device fingerprinting profile was enabled at each interface context. To elaborate on that, so I have a 6200 VSF here, and inside the 6200 VSF, two of my interfaces have two different profiles, one with HTTP profile, another with a DHCP profile. So we had to apply this profile getting into each and every interfaces before 10.13. So in 10.13, the device fingerprinting profile is globally applied under the config context. So this is just an example of how this is done. This is just a single CLA that we'll be using and is a very minor feature enhancement. So client device fingerprint, apply profile and that profile's name. Similarly, client device fingerprint, apply profile, that profile's name. So HTTP Pro and DHCP Pro. So this is applied on global context, under the config context, to all the interfaces, and you do not have to get into each and every interface to issue this command. And one thing to note here is that the interface level command always takes precedence over the global config. And a few supported platforms of this are 6200, 6300, 64, and 4100i switches. So let's talk about the global norm for client IP tracker enablement. So the client IP tracker enablement feature will help us learn and update the IP addresses of the access devices and clients connected in a switch. So this can track both directly connected and indirectly connected clients. From 10.13, we have a single global knob to enable client IP tracker on all VLANs. So before this, we had to get into each and every VLAN or at the port level or the global level. So port level and global level was already present. And this 10.13 update helps us introduce a new CLI for the VLAN level. So it is nothing but client track IP all VLANs. So this command issued will track the client IPs on all VLANs plus present. Let's say we have 1000 VLANs, it is applied to all the VLANs. And it is a very minor feature enhancement supported in the 62, 63, 6400s, 4100i and the Matrix platform 61 and 6000 series. Thank you for watching the session.